Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your NFT orders for your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to check your orders into Bitget wallet, you just simply have to open the application, and after opening the Bitget wallet, you just simply have to tap into this more button. And after tapping into more button, you will get to see this section of NFT directly. Tap into NFT, and after that you will get a bar of options. Now you just simply have to select order between them. Just simply tap to orders, and after tapping into orders you can select all of the orders from this section. This way you can easily access the orders of NFT into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.